Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download SQL Server Management Studio on support SSMS step by step. This method is completely free and safe because we will download it from Microsoft's official website. First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type SSMS Server Download and press enter. Now click on the link that says Install SQL Server Management Studio, and click on the Download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer. Once you download it, then click on the executable file and install it. Once the installation is complete, again come to the same page and now click on the SQL Server Downloads. Scroll down and select the Download Standard Developer Edition. Once download is completed, you can install it. And once installation is complete, then make sure that in services SQL Server is in running state. So I click on this services, and here I can check this SQL Server is in running status. Now open SQL Server Management Studio. Let's wait for a few minutes. Now connect, and in server name please provide localhost, and please check this trust server certificate, and now you can connect. This is all for this video. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching.